I am deeply grateful for the beautiful life I have been given. My heart is filled with gratitude for the endless love that surrounds me and the unwavering support I receive each day. I am thankful for the peace that lives within me and for the divine guidance that leads me on the right path. I welcome every opportunity that helps me grow, learn, and become a better version of myself. I am grateful for the clarity of my mind, the joy that fills my heart, and the bright future unfolding before me. I embrace each new day with hope, confidence, and faith. I am thankful for the strength that helps me overcome every challenge and for the wisdom I have gained through life's experiences. I appreciate the beauty that surrounds me and the kindness that touches my life in countless ways. I am grateful for the success flowing into my life and for the abundance I effortlessly attract. I give thanks for my health, my vitality, and my overall well-being. I am truly blessed by the love that enriches my life and inspired by the limitless possibilities that await me. Every day, I choose gratitude, embrace joy, and welcome the countless blessings that continue to unfold in my life.